Hey guys, welcome to lesson 2 of the Python basics, and let's get started. Let's type in radius, which is a user input. This is how you receive a user input, and you can use them later on in the program, for example, to perform calculations. There we have the input. Now you can add in a comment within these marks, the speech marks or inverted commas if you use them, to guide the user as to what type of input and what input they are actually giving into the program. So enter a non-zero radius, and that will be it. Now let's go on to type the formula for the circumference of a circle, which is 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius. Now we would encounter a syntax error, which is multiplying a float here and an integer, and ideally a float or an integer from here. So we just change it to 2.0 so that the program accounts this as a float and this as a float. The only thing we have to do is change this into a float using casting, so that ideally any value such as an integer or float is converted into a float here, and a calculation is performed. So now let's just print off our circumference of given circle is circumference. Use a concatenating operator as I've done here. You can use a comma or a plus sign. I'm just going to stick with the comma. Circumference of given circle is circumference, which is the calculation that will be done by the program up there in the previous line, and let's just say units, so that this is so that the program is mathematically correct. You can't just say that the circumference of the circle is, let's just say 2 or 12 point something, I don't know. And that's it with the basic program. Let's go on to the terminal and let's check if what we have is correct. And here on the output terminal we have the comment to guide us, which is enter a non-zero radius. I'm just going to enter 2.5. Let's see what happens. 15.7 units, and that's the output. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this series. Leave any suggestions in the comment section. I'll be happy to address any questions in the next video. Thanks for watching.